Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reboot your iPhone 16 Pro Max in two different ways. So let's get started. The first and the simplest is going to be using your buttons. You can use the volume up, which is right directly under the action button, and the volume down button. You're going to press and quickly release volume up, followed by press and release volume down, and then hold on to this big side button on the right hand side until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So to show you, make sure when you're doing this you don't accidentally touch the screen or anything. You're going to quickly press and release the volume up or volume down, and then I come over and hold on to the side button in this sequence. As you can see here, I'm still pressing and holding on to that side button until the screen goes completely black, and once I see the Apple logo appear, I will let go of that side button. So as you can see, I'm waiting, and then I let go of that side button once the Apple logo reappears after the screen has gone black. And sometimes this method does take a few tries to get the hang of it. So if it's your very first time trying and it's not working, or Siri activates, make sure you quickly press release the volume up and down one after another before holding on to that side button, and that's going to go ahead and force restart or reboot your iPhone. This method will not delete any of your data. Now, another method you can use is Siri to reboot your iPhone. Simply, if you have Siri turned on and enabled and it's listening to you, you can say, "Hey Siri, reboot my iPhone." Yes. And Siri will just simply ask you to confirm if you would like to restart, basically a reboot, and it's going to go ahead and turn off the iPhone and turn it back on. Again, this method will not delete any of your personal data. These methods are safe. It will simply shut down and reboot your iPhone, making sure that if you were having any issues before, it'll fix it. It's good to reboot from time to time. And I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If so, please do consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone 16 and iOS 18. We'll see you guys next time.